Its stripes mimic a wasp, but it's harmless. Predator and prey are more evenly matched. But the fly is at the worm's mercy. The fisherman reels in its line and sucks out its victim's juices. During this juvenile stage of its life, the glowworm must eat as much as it can, enough to see it through its brief life as an adult fly. For up to 9 months, the glowworm lays out its traps each night. Each line can take 15 minutes to make, and it might lay up to 25 of the traps.